I hear Titan. I don't think it's friendly.
Hey, your Titan will be ready in 60 seconds.
Oh, that is completely useless. I could have killed him by then.
Be advised, Titan ready in 30 seconds.
Fired at. From above, from right behind me.
Titan ready in 15 seconds.
Thank you so much. Thank you in game. Oh, I see. Yo, dog, I heard you like getting crapped on. Whoa! Ho, ho. Smart missile kills top 25. Fly swatter. Good challenges completed.
It's been a really close fight so far, but the mission's far from over. Let's step it up and show the IMC what we can do.
Yeah, give him the 1-4. Give him the 1-2-1-2. Or not.
Falling behind, don't let them win.
Ow! Dang, they wanted to cause some damage.
Stand by for Titanfall.
Did I hit someone with that? I did too, I hit this Titan. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I should get the same thing. Yes, you are still alive. We will call you Xavier. Xavier will be the name of my Titan. Xavier, tell me what's going on, Xavier. Oh, nice work, Xavier. How dare you? I take serious defense for what you're doing, sir.
Warning. Severe reactor damage sustained. Eject. Eject.
Hello?
Eject. Eject.
Oh no. Oh no. I'm ejecting. I can't. I got freaking wrecked. Too bad. I'm sitting at third, fourth. I stand corrected. Yo, dog, I heard you like getting shot in the face. Or kicked in the face. That works too. Occasional viewer, but nothing too great. Not today, anyway. Yo, dog, I heard you like getting shot in the face. So my smart pistol has taken the liberty of shooting you in the face. We'll see Xavier in about a minute or so.
But the IMC isn't far behind.
Until then,
Don't let up.
see if we can bring down other Xaviers. Oh, Xaviers. Ah, here's a fairly damaged Xavier. He would be prime for taking out. He doesn't even know I'm here. I find it humorous that I went faster than he does. Stop running and stop for a second. I want to need help. I want to help. Guy has help. Oh my. There's a lot of things that are about to explode. I'm going to go over here and cower in fear for a second. Hee hee hee. Oops. Ah, one of the Xaviers just went down. Ooh, a fresh Xavier.
Take it down.
Ooh, that Xavier is a mean Xavier.
Great job down there, boss.
Let's see if we can catch up with him over here.
Hey, your Titan's good to go. Call it when ready.
Oh, Xavier. Oh. Just missed him. Oh.
It's on the way. Stand by for Titanfall.
Hello. Xavier the Fourth. Let's call you the second. Xavier the Second for now. Oh yes, you're the only Xavier. You are being stubborn. You're stubborn, Mr. Grinch. Ow!
You're outnumbered. Warning. Core reactor overload. Eject. Ejecting.
This isn't going to work well, is it? Well then. I tried to eject. But it didn't appear to work.
Pilot, your Titan will be ready in 2 minutes.
Let's see if we can't get a C4, little C4 action here.
Okay, team, the mission's almost over. The IMC aren't far behind, so keep at it.
Oh, so you tap X to make that work. Alright. Hello, sirs. Xavier. Thanks for the assist, Xavier. Oh no. Oh no. I'm being shot at, aren't I? Yes, I am. What if I bow your head for a second, Xavier? Thank you very much. Get kicked, Storm. Ah, I should complain. Thanks for mowing lawn, neighbors, right when I decide to play. Thanks for that one. Sorry if you guys hear that.
Alright, we got what we came for.
We did?
Awesome work, team. Mission accomplished.
Haha. Did I plant some C4
Well
on
done,
your head?
guys. The IMC are
I
attempting
wonder.
to escape by dropship, but I've marked their extraction points for you. Don't let them get away.
We aren't. Ow! Jeez. Oh yes, I was wondering who would escape first. Xavier? Fellow Xavier, you must finish the mission. You are a much more classy looking Xavier that isn't on fire. Come on, Xavier. Xavier's, we know we have faith in you. Finish him off. Duke. Oh yes, I was wondering who would explode first. Good explosion. To your left. To your left. Oh. Oh, I went bottom frag. It's a shame. It's a darn shame. Did I get the XP? Yeah, I did. Decent amount. Triple threat Titan primary weapon. 3 grenades per shot. I'm not about that grenade life. Ooh, I got 5 challenges in one game. Not bad. Custom Titan 1 has the arc cannon. The triple threat. Thanks for that. Alright. Let's do the thing where we have the best of the games. I believe this is going to be our last game of the day. So, let's make it a fine one, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages. Let's make this an awesome match. Alrighty. Alright. We're jumping to the location of 1,000 locations. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, just me. Well, me? For me! For Isengard, for me! Always a good moral to live by. Live to fight for yourself. What, can you now break this glass or something? Satisfying. Very satisfying, this map. It's a mall. Heyo!
Not bad.
J-Lol, I'm not gonna read that name. You've got numbers in your name. That's all you get. We're calling you J-Lol from now on. Hello. You got that right, mate. Oh no. Oh no. Titan salvage. What does this do? Going hits on Titans earns extra XP. Ah. Bonus burn cards or something, I thought it said.
Your Titan will be ready in 2 minutes.
Alright. I was wondering who would stick up there first. You were merely born up there. I was molded by there. Molded by that crevasse. It's not even a crevasse. In a minute or so we'll have Xavier. Xavier's coming in hot. IMC pulling ahead as usual. Surprise, surprise. Jeez, you scared.
Pilot, your Titan will be ready in 60 seconds.
Hello. Come kick your mom's Mia. Hello. Oh, just before I could kick you. Son of a female dog.
Your Titan will be ready in 15 seconds.
Ah, yes, I was wondering. I was wondering who would Xavier first. Yes, that is what we will call all Titans from here on out. No, Xaviers are just going to be this type of Titan chassis. Am I writing? Yeah, I'm not writing mine, am I?
That's a Strider down.
Okay, all the Strider chassis Titans will now be called Xavier from here on out. Xavier, catch me! Xavier. I feel offended that you did not catch me. That was a trust exercise. An exercise of my trust. Hello, you are now mashed potatoes. Human mashed potatoes or floor pizza, whichever you prefer. Pizza or potatoes, which would you rather live? Oh. Oh, no, 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 I see you. Come on out. Okay, the price is right. Oh, is someone going to be sneaky? Oh, you're lucky. I was gonna screw you up real good. Hello. There goes Greatston. Greatston? That is now your name. I don't even care. Xavier, we've got people firing behind us. Oh yeah. Oh, friendly. Hey, can I get some help? Oh, there's another Xavier. Xavier battle. Oh no, I got Xavier by my Xavier. No. Not by mine. Rip Xavier. Rest in spaghetti, never forgetty. Oh! That Xavier. Let's make sure he doesn't exist. Oh, Xavier. I was wondering who would use that gun first. You were merely born with that gun. I was molded by that gun when you shot me in the face. Ah, this is a good fun game for good fun. Good fun indeed, this game. Oh no, oh no. What should we call the ogre chassis? Wow, he's not a Reginald. Not really a Reginald guy, is he? Come on! Maintain traction.
Pilot, the militia are pulling further and further ahead. We've got to turn this around right now.
Oh, dang, they are.